Well, now, having a sleeping foot is not going to...
Our genuine brass trunk with clear enamel finish has 2 storage doors and measures 34 inches by 20 inches. A perfect cocktail table.
All right, Mariana, let's do some bidding.
$560.
$560 and Krista.
What did it say? 600.
Oh, excuse me. Because I sneezed. I've never sneezed on television before in my life. Oh. All right, Ruth, it's your bid.
700.
$700. Heather?
What's the highest bid?
The
700.
highest bid thus far is $700.
701.
$701. And the actual retail price of that there prize is $795. Heather? And I want you to play the pricing game right back here. We want to see that game, please. There it is, the Safe Crackers game. That door is open. Diane, pull that door back and show Heather the 2 prizes in there that you can win. There are 2 prizes in that safe.
First, a beautiful piano. The cable console, rich total quality, sensitive response, and graceful styling. Cable traditions since 1875. Your assurance of quality and performance. Aeolian Pianos Incorporated. And a new violin. From William Lewis and Son, a Stradivarius pattern violin with seasoned European spruce top, maple back and ribbing, a solid ebony trim, case and artist bow, the Herman from William Lewis and Son. This is a prize package worth $3,229.
Lock the door, Diane. Lock it up. Lock it up. The price of the violin. The price of the violin is the same as the combination of the safe. Crack the safe, you win both prizes. Now step over here, and I will show you that in the violin price, there is a 3, there is a 6, and there is a 0. You set the first dial on the first number in the price of the violin, the second on the second, and the third on the third. That'll be the combination of the safe. Safe opens, you win both prizes. Do
Okay.
it. Do it, Heather. Do it. Do it, Heather. Do it. $630. Spin that wheel, Heather. Didn't waste any time. All right, pull on that hand. You're a winner. You are the fastest safe cracker ever. You are the fastest. You ought to go into the business. Congratulations. There's more prices coming up.
Stay tuned for more pricing games. The fabulous showcases coming up on the second half of the Prize is Right.